Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3. Now the question of 1 is, let A equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. This is a matrix of order 2. Show that AI plus BA raised to power n equal to A raised to power ni plus n A raised to power n minus 1 BA, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and n belongs to a natural number. Okay, show that this equal to this. We have to prove this exercise question by mathematical induction method. Okay, this is the question. First we have to prove by mathematical induction. Mathematical induction is this. This series is true for n equal to 1, then n equal to k and n equal to k plus 1. This means this is also true for all the values of n. Okay, now take P1. P1 means n equal to 1. AI plus BA raised to power 1. Now solve. Here is A1I plus 1 into A raised to power 1 minus 1 into BA. AI plus BA. A raised to power 0, 1 BA. It means P1 is true. N equal to, for n equal to 1 is true. Next for PK. PK, the value becomes AI plus BA raised to power k equal to A raised to power ki plus k A raised to power k minus 1 BA. It means this is true, also true for k. P k is true. Now we have to prove that it is also true for k plus 1. It means put n equal to k plus 1. Okay, now AI plus BA raised to power k plus 1. Now put A raised to power k plus 1i plus k plus 1 A raised to power k plus 1 and AK BA. Now solve this one, LHS. First we have to prove LHS. AI plus BA raised to power k plus 1 equal to, we can write AI plus BA raised to power k into A into I plus BA. K raised to power 1, k power 1. Okay. Now multiply this. Okay. AI plus BA raised to power k equal to this. AI, we can write AI plus BA raised to power k equal to AKI plus k into A k minus 1 BA. We can write from here and multiply to AI plus BA. Simple product of binomial. Binomial to a binomial. If we multiply first number to second number, you will get A raised to power k plus 1 I into I. Next k A raised to power k. K minus 1 into k. B, A and I. Next this one A raised to power k, B, A, I. And the last, multiply this one to this, k A raised to power A, k minus 1, B, A into A. Okay. We know that if A is 0, 0, 1, 0. So now A into A, if we multiplied A into A 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. It means we will get 0. It means this term is equal to 0. A into A is 0. This term is equal to 0. Now the last a raised to power k plus 1 into I plus k raised to power k plus 1 कॉमन लेंगे, k plus 1 a raised to power k plus k b a. Okay, a raised to power k plus 1 I and k plus 1 a raised to power k b a. It means this is true for all the values of k plus 1. It means this is equal to p k plus 1. It means p k plus 1 is true for all values of is true. It means the given series is thus the given result is true for all the values of n. Okay, this result is true for all the values of n. It means Pn is true for all values of n. Now the question number 2. Same question. If a equal to 1 1 1 1 all this is a matrix, prove that a raised to power n equal to 3 raised to power n minus 1 and so on, where n belongs to n. इसको भी हम लोग मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन से ही प्रूव करेंगे कि दिस इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ n. Question number 2. This is the matrix and a raised to power n this. First we have to prove for Pn minus n. Pn equal to, given that the n equal to 1. First we put n equal to 1. Then n equal to 1 means a raised to power 1. And put the value of n equal to 1, so we get 3 raised to power 0, 0, 0, all the zeros. 1 minus 1, 0. The exponent 0, the value equal to 1, 1, 1. This is equal to the given matrix A. Yani it is true for P1. N equal to 1. It is true for n equal to 1. Next, Pk. Now I have to check Pk. Pk means n equal to k. Right here, a raised to power k equal to 3 raised to power k minus 1. Okay. This one is also true for k. It means Pk is true. And the last, for n equal to k plus 1. Then Pk plus 1 equal to Pk plus 1 is n raised to power k plus 1. So we can write a raised to power k into a. A raised to power k into a. Now put the value a raised to power k is 3 raised to power k minus 1. 3 raised to power k minus 1, 3 raised to power k minus 1. Multiplied to a. A means 1, 1, 1. Elements all are 1. All the elements of matrix A are 1. Now multiply by the rows to the column. Okay. What will you get? 3 raised to power k. 3 raised to power k. How? 3 raised to power k minus 1. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये क्या आएगा? 3 times 3 raised to power k minus 1. तो वी कैन राइट इट 3 में, और इसको ऐड करेंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? 3 की पावर k. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लीकेशन वी विल गेट 3 raised to power k. जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू आएगी. this means this is the RHS. RHS means 3 raised to power क्या है n minus 1 यानी k plus 1. This is true for, the result is true. The result is true for k plus 1. Result is true for k plus 1 also. It means Pn is true for the all values of n. Okay, by induction Pn is true for all the values of natural numbers, true for all n which belongs to a natural numbers. Now question number 3. Third question is, if a equal to 3, 1 minus 4 minus 1, then prove that a raised to power n equal to 1 plus 2n by n minus 4n 1 minus 2n, where n is any positive integer. Okay, this is the, इसको भी मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन से सॉल्व करना है हमको. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, शो करना है कि n इक्वल टू 1 के लिए प्रूव्ड है, फिर k के लिए, और उसके बाद k प्लस 1 के लिए. सेम, इफ n इक्वल टू 1, देन p1 इक्वल टू, पुट n इक्वल टू 1 इन दिस सीरीज, 1 प्लस 2 इंटू 1 1 minus 4n means 4 into 1 and 1 minus 2 into 1. This will equal to the 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. It means this is equal to A. This is equal to A. This is a A matrix equal to A. It means P1 is true. P1 is true means this series is true for n equal to 1. And the next, if p equal to k, now put n equal to k. N equal to k means then pk equal to 1 plus 2k k minus 4k 1 minus 2k. This is a raised to power k. It means pk is true. Now third, n equal to k plus 1. Just put in the series here in LHS a raised to power k plus 1, n equal to k plus 1. So we can write a raised to power k into a. Okay, a raised to power k into a, and a raised to power k is 1 plus 2k into k minus 4k 1 minus 2k, and multiplied to the a is 3 1 minus 4 minus 1, 3 1 minus 4 minus 1. The simple multiplication we can do. And RHS में अगर हम यहाँ रखेंगे तो LHS हो गया, and RHS if we just put a raised to power k plus 1, so what will be the RHS? 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 minus 4n means minus 4 k plus 1, second n k plus 1, and 1 minus 2n 1 minus 2 k plus 1. अब हमको प्रूव करके लाना ये और ये आपस में इक्वल है. इट मीन्स दिस विल बी ट्रू. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. इट मीन्स 3 1 plus 2k plus 1 into minus 4k. Next 1 plus 2k minus 4 multiplied to 1 plus 2k plus minus 1 into minus 4k. Product by first row first column, first row second column. Now second row k into 3 plus 1 minus 2k, and k into minus 4 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 2k. Now we have to show that this value equal to this 1 plus 2k plus 1. Now solve. 3 plus 6k minus 4k minus 2k 2 times k plus 1. Now solve. This will be 3 plus 2k. This one is plus 4k minus 8k and minus 4. It means minus 4 minus 4k. And this 3k minus 2k is k plus 1. And in this minus 4k minus 1 plus 2k, it means minus 1 minus 2k. If we can write in this form, this one also, 1 plus 2 times k plus 1. This one is k plus 1. Minus 4 minus 4k. This one minus 4 common लेके k plus 1. Take minus 4 common, 1 k plus 1. And the last 1 minus 2k. 1 minus 2 times k plus 1. This is the RHS of the series. It means P k plus 1 is true. It means the result is true. The result is true. Therefore, by the induction, result is true for all positive integers. N belongs to integers. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, if A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. AB minus BA is a skew symmetric. A and B are symmetric matrices. It means transpose of A equal to A and transpose of B equal to B. A and B are the symmetric matrices. Therefore, transpose of A equal to A and transpose of B equal to B. Okay. Now we have to prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric. AB minus BA. So first we have to find the transpose of AB minus BA. So we can write AB B dash A dash, AB dash AB transpose minus BA transpose. AB माइनस बी ए ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ए बी ट्रांसपोज माइनस, ये प्रॉपर्टी है, और इस प्रॉपर्टी से हम लोग ए बी ट्रांसपोज को लिखते हैं बी ए डैश, एंड इसको लिखेंगे उल्टा बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रांसपोज. ए बी डैश इक्वल टू बी डैश ए डैश एंड दिस. बट वी नो दैट बी डैश इक्वल टू बी, तो वी कैन राइट बी ए माइनस ए बी. सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन 1, तो बाय यूजिंग 1 b dash equal to b, a dash equal to a, and this. So ba minus ab, now we can take common minus ab minus ba. If the transpose of ab minus ba equal to the negative of the matrix itself, it means this is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Question number 5. Show that the matrix B dash AB is a symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. अगर A अगर symmetric है तो ये भी symmetric होगा, अगर A skew symmetric है then this is also a skew symmetric. Okay, according to the A. Now the B dash AB is a symmetric if A is symmetric, अगर B dash AB skew symmetric when A is skew symmetric. Now the first use the property if transpose of AB equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. This is the property. Now we can write this one is B dash AB whole transpose. Using this property, it means V dash AB whole transpose. तो इस ट्रांसपोज करने के लिए ये क्या होता है, सेकेंड नंबर आगे आएगा AB ट्रांसपोज एंड देन B ट्रांसपोज. the transpose of B dash AB equal to AB transpose and B dash transpose. Okay, and transpose of transpose of this and transpose of this. So we know that A B transpose B, B dash transpose to the transpose this. Okay, now we can say that इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि B dash AB transpose equal to AB transpose means B dash and B. Okay, these are the equal. Now if A is symmetric, symmetric means the transpose of A equal to A. Okay, now we can put in this. Suppose transpose A dash equal to A B, B dash A B. So it means B dash A B is a symmetric matrix. अगर ये सिमेट्रिक है तो ये भी क्या हो गया, सिमेट्रिक सेम के बराबर आ गया. सिमेट्रिक मीन्स ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस नंबर इक्वल टू द इटसेल्फ. इफ A is skew symmetric, then transpose of A equal to minus A. Okay, then equal to the minus A. So we can put transpose of A equal to minus A in this. B dash A B transpose of B dash minus A B. Okay, minus A B. So now we can write minus B dash A B. माइनस बाहर ले सकते हैं ये. इट मीन्स B dash A B is also a skew symmetric. कोई भी मैट्रिक्स अपने transpose of matrix is equal to the negative of the matrix itself is known as the skew symmetric. Therefore B dash A B is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Next, question number 6. Now the 6 is find the values of x, y and z if matrix A equal to this. Satisfy the equation transpose of A into A equal to I. Okay. The matrix A equal to this. Now the transpose of this one. Now convert rows into column. X, y minus z, x minus y, z. This is the transpose of this given matrix. Now A dash transpose of A into A equal to I given. It means now multiply 0 to yz, xy minus z, x minus yz multiplied to 0xx to y minus y, z minus z equal to I means identity matrix of order 3. Now solve. First row, first column. It means x square plus 0 plus x square minus x plus x square. In first row, second column 0 plus 2x xy minus xy. And third 0 plus minus xz plus xz. In second row, first column 0 2y into xy minus xy. Second 2y into 2y 4y square plus y square plus y square. Second 4y square plus y square. And third, 2yz minus yz minus yz. And the third, 0 minus xz plus xz. 2xy, 2yz minus yz minus yz. And the third, z into z, z square minus minus plus z square plus z square. This one equal to the 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now solve. 2x square sub 0 0 0. This one is also 0. 6y square 0 0 0 3z square equal to. Now compare the elements of these two matrices. First, 2x square equal to 1. It means x equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. 6y square equal to 1. Then y equal to plus minus 1 by root 6. And 3z square equal to 1. Then z equal to plus minus 1 by 3. Okay. These are the values of x, y and z. Next, question number 7. For what values of x 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 2, 0, 0 and so on equal to 0? This is the question. Now first we have to multiply 1 to 1 matrix to this matrix. So this will be the first row, first column. Then 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. First row, second column, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0. And third, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. And multiplied to the matrix 0 to x equal to 0. Now this is 4, 5, 6. 6, 2 and 2 plus 2, 4. 6 to 4. Multiplied to 0 to x equal to 0. Now multiply first row, first column. First row, first column, this equal to 0. 6 into 0, 2 into 2 plus 4 into x equal to 0. It means 4 plus 4x equal to 0. 4x equal to minus 4. It means x equal to minus 1. Just simple multiplication. पहले फर्स्ट टू मैट्रिक्स किए, फिर जो आंसर आया उसका थर्ड वन से. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. If a equal to 3 minus 1 1 2, then show that a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. A equal to this. First we have to find the a square. It means a into a. This one is 3 minus 1 1 2 multiplied to 3 minus 1 1 2. Simple multiplication. First row, second column, 3 into 3 9 minus 1. 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Again 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. And minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. According to the rows, column, this. The answer equal to 9 minus 1, 8. 5. Minus 5, minus 1, 3. 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This is the a square. 5a minus 7i. So we can write a square minus 5a plus 7i. We can write 8 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 1, 1, 2. Then 7i, 7, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then 8 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 15 minus 5, 5, 10 and 7, 0, 0, 7. Now you can calculate 8 plus 7, 15 minus 15, 0. 5 minus 5, 0, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. And 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 7, 0. It means this is equal to the 0 matrix. Okay. Now question number 9. Find x if x minus 5 minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 0 equal to x. फाइंड x. तो क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट पहले इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर जो आंसर आएगा इसका कर देंगे. नाउ द प्रोडक्ट, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, द प्रोडक्ट इज x इंटू 1 माइनस 5 इंटू 0 प्लस माइनस 1 इंटू 2 एंड द सेकेंड कॉलम x इंटू 0 minus 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into 0. And the third column 2x plus minus 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3. This will be multiplied with x 4 1 in the another. So this is x minus 2 and this is equal to minus 10. And this one is 2x minus 8 multiplied to x 4 1. Okay. Now first row first column only x into x minus 2 plus minus 10 into 4 plus 2x minus 8 into 1 equal to 0. This is the, now solve x square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 2x cancel, x square minus 48 equal to 0. Then x equal to plus minus root 48. It means 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3. This is the value of x. Question number 10. A manufacturer produces 3 products X, Y and Z which he sells in 2 markets. Annual sales are indicated below. Market 1 and market 2. Now the products 10,000, 2,000, 18,000. And the second market 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. If the unit of the sale prices X, Y, Z are 2.50, 1.50 and 1 respectively, find the total revenue in each market with the help of matrix algebra. And the second, if the unit cost of the above 3 commodities rupees 2, rupees 1 and 50 paisa, find the gross profit. Okay. Now first we make the revenue matrix. The revenue matrix is 10,000 and 6,000 in the second market. Next 2,000, 20,000. 2,000 here and 20,000 here. And 18,000. This is 8,000. Now the cost of the articles are 2.5, 1.5 and 1. This is the revenue matrix for the 2 markets, market 1 and market 2. Now the total revenue collected means the product of these 2. First row, first column, it means 10,000 into 2.5 plus 2000 into 1.5 and 18,000 into 1. And the second 6,000 into 2.5 plus 20,000 into 1.5 and 8,000 into 1. Now solve and add. 10,000 to add 25,000 plus 3. 28 and 18. 28 and 18 is 46,000. And collect this. 15, 30, 45 and 8, 53. This is the total revenue. This is the 46,000 from the first market and 53,000 by the second market. The total revenue collected in the market. Okay, this is the first part. If the cost changed for the second, for collected revenue, first we make the revenue matrix. 2,000, 20,000, 18,000. These are the number of articles and the cost of. This one is 2, 1, 50 paisa means 0.5. Now the product, same, 10,000 into 2 plus 2,000 into 1 plus 18,000 into 0.5. In the second, 6,000 into 2 plus 20,000 into 1. Sorry, 2,000 in 1 and 20,000 into 1. Okay. 8,000 into 0.5. The total revenue collected 22 and 18 is 20,000, 2,000 and 9,000. This one is the 31,000. In the second, 12 plus 20, 32 plus 4, 36,000. This is from the first one. This is the second. This is the market 1 and market 2. Now come to the profit. This matrix minus this. We will get the profit. First matrix is profit. We can write here profit matrix. Profit matrix means 46,000, 53,000 minus 31,000 and 36,000. What will be the profit? 46 minus 31 equal to 46 minus 31 is 15,000. The profit is 15,000 and 53 minus 36, 17,000. That is net profit from the first market 15,000 and the second from 17,000. Okay. The question number 11, find the matrix X so that X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, X into this matrix equal to minus 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6. We can take the X equal to matrix A, B, C and D. Now put the value here. A, B, C, D. Multiplied to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now multiply these two and equate. The first A plus 4B, A 2A plus 5B, 3A plus 6B. Then C plus 4D, C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D and 3C plus 6D equal to the given matrix minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and 2, 4, 6. Just equate the equations. From the first A plus 4B equal to minus 7 and 3A plus 6B equal to minus 9. I am taking these two. So now take 3 common. I will get A plus 2B equal to minus 3. 3 common divided by 3. A plus 2B equal to minus 3. And the first equation is A plus 4B equal to minus 7. This is the equation number 2 and this is the 1. Subtract. Minus 2B equal to 7 minus 3, 4. B equal to minus 2. B equal to minus 2 and put the value of B in the any one equation. The first equation A plus 4B. 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 7. A equal to minus 7 plus 8 equal to 1. Okay. The same for CD. C plus 4D 2 and 3C plus 6D equal to 6. This equal to. Now take 3 common. C plus 2D equal to 2. C plus 2D. Subtract this equation. 2 from 1. Subtract. So C cancel. 2D equal to 0. Then D equal to 0. Put the value of this. C plus 4 into 0. C equal to 2. It means the given matrix is X equal to AB, A, B, C, D. This is the X matrix. A, B, C, D. Put the values of A, B, C, D in the X matrix. Okay. Question number 12. If A and B are square matrices of the same order such that AB equal to BA, then prove that by induction that A B raised to power n equal to B raised to power n A. And further prove AB raised to power n equal to A raised to power n into B raised to power n for all n belongs to a natural number. Okay. So given that A B raised to power n equal to B raised to power n A, we have to prove this one is true for all the values of n. First, for n equal to 1. Then P1, the series becomes AB equal to BA, which is true. AB equal to BA is true. Given है, ये हमको दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में AB equal to BA, it means P1 is true. Now for n equal to K. N equal to K, it means A B raised to power K equal to B raised to power K into A. This is also true. P K is true for all. Is true. Now n equal to K plus 1. Then A B raised to power K plus 1. We have to prove B raised to power K plus 1 into A. This is the LHS. ये हमको प्रूव करके लाना है. ये इसके बराबर होता है. Now LHS is A B raised to power K plus 1. We can write A B raised to power K into B. A B raised to power K equal to B raised to power K. A B raised to power K equal to B raised to power KA. B raised to power B into B. Now B raised to power KA into B. then we can write b raised to power k plus 1 into a. This is the RHS. It means it is true for k plus 1 also. Okay, this is true for k plus 1 also. It means it is true for all the values of n. Result is true. For the second one, second is ab raised to power n is true for all the values of n. First we have to take n equal to 1. Then ab raised to power 1 equal to a1 b1, which is equal to ab. ab equal to ab is given. Okay. If put n equal to k, then ab raised to power k equal to a raised to power k into b raised to power k. This is also true. ये भी result true है. Now n equal to k plus 1. Then ab raised to power k plus 1. It means a raised to power k plus 1 into b raised to power k plus 1. ये हमको प्रूव करना है. तो check for LHS. ab raised to power k plus 1. Then we can write ab raised to power k into ab. k plus 1 है तो इसको दो पार्ट में कर दिए. ab raised to power k and ab. Now we can write ab raised to power k को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? ak into bk. a raised to power k into b raised to power k in bracket ab. Now अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों में ब्रैकेट लगा देते हैं. a रेज टू पावर k, b रेज टू पावर k इंटू ए एंड b इधर कर दें. अब b रेज टू पावर k, b रेज टू पावर k a इक्वल टू a b रेज टू पावर k टू b, दोनों इक्वल है. तो हम लोग इसको a रेज टू पावर k इंटू ए, b रेज टू पावर k इंटू b इधर ब्रैकेट कर दें. तो ये होगा a रेज टू पावर k प्लस 1 एंड दिस इज ना b रेज टू पावर k प्लस 1. दिस इज द RHS. इट मीन्स दिस रिजल्ट इज ट्रू फॉर k प्लस 1. दिस इज द रिजल्ट इज ट्रू फॉर n इक्वल टू k प्लस 1. लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर रिजल्ट इज ट्रू फॉर n equal to k plus 1. It means it is true for all the values of n. Question number 13. If a equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha is such that a square equal to I, then which value is true for this given matrix? Okay. Now we can solve a square equal to I. This is the a square equal to I. A square means a into a. Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha and multiplied to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha equal to I means 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. Now product alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta gamma, and the second alpha beta minus alpha beta 0, gamma alpha minus alpha gamma 0 and gamma beta plus alpha square, beta gamma plus alpha square equal to 1 0 0 1. It means alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 1. Now comparing first element to the first, it means alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. So which option is right? Which one is the right? I think C option is right. Taken the 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma equal to 0. We can write this 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma equal to 0. It means C option is right. Next, question number 14. If the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is diagonal matrix, A is a zero matrix, A is a square matrix, none of these. When it is possible? When it is a zero matrix. ओनली द सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक दोनों एक साथ कैसे सेम हो सकती है, ए और माइनस ए, देयरफॉर ए इज ए जीरो मैट्रिक्स. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, ए इज ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स सच दैट ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए, देन आई प्लस ए का होल क्यूब माइनस 7a इज इक्वल टू, इफ ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए, I plus a whole cube minus 7a equal to, we will expand by the formula of a plus b whole cube. It means a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b and then 3a b square minus 7a. Okay. The I square, we know that a square equal to a. If a square equal to a, then a cube equal to a square into a. It means a into a square equal to a into a equal to a. It means I cube equal, a cube is equal to a. And this is the I plus a plus 3a plus 3a, 3i, it is 7i minus 7a. Sorry, 3 plus 3 plus 1, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 7a minus 7a. Because the I cube equal to y, a cube equal to a, 3a plus a square equal to a. It means 7a cancel, the answer equal to only I. Which one option is right is C, I. Okay. Finished now exercise